Here's how to make a wireframe with a simple prompt in Claritee. Click New Project, click Start from Scratch, give it a name, and press Start. Here's my sitemap view. I'm just going to go ahead and go into the layout. Up in the top right, you can generate full page content. This is where you're going to enter your prompt, which will generate a wireframe based on the prompt. You can also go section by section if you want. So if you want to describe like the hero section first, for example, you can do it there and simply add additional sections and generate each one by one. But let's show you the full page content as an example. Enter your prompt and click generate. It should take only about 1 minute for the page to finish. Now I can drag and drop things around. I can change the sizing and control this fully with drag and drop. If I click on the design tab at the top, I can set my color scheme and font, click create design, and the AI will convert this, matching the exact copy and content without changing anything, and convert it into a beautiful design. If I'm a paid user, I can even publish that, including on a custom domain, and I can edit the code to specify the site exactly as I want. You can share it from the top with a simple public share link. You can also invite members for private viewing, including collaborators to work with you. If you ever get stuck, just send us a quick message by this button on the bottom right. And you can also check out on the bottom left the Help Center for many excellent guides.